Produktif is reinventing home construction to address a global urban housing shortage and post-disaster reconstruction with a faster, affordable, resilient, and sustainable solution. The answer is through innovations leveraging engineering, software, and logistics. Components are globally sourced, locally manufactured, and assembled on site. We have a system of integrated building components that assemble easily with joints that click and lock together. This global modular design system interconnects structural members, walls, floors, roofing, and finishing panels into fully functional sub-assemblies that are ready to connect with digital sensors and AI embedded. These modular components can be shipped flat to a local project site along with a portable fabrication and assembly system we call SHOP for Supplier, Hub, Operations, and Production Unit. This local CAD/CAM system with CNC cutters, 3D printers, and other machinery comes in several shipping containers and quickly sets up near the project, where certified technicians work with local contractors and trainees to customize the components into functional pods that are delivered to the site. The site foundation, meanwhile, has been prepared, and sub-assemblies are installed and connected with minimal time spent on site. The shop, which can be set up and dismantled in one day, can complete multiple local projects, operating as a franchise with locally trained technicians, or be easily moved to another site. This is all powered by an expansion of BIM, Building Information Management, that we call BIM2 LCM for Life Cycle Management. We are adding tools that give every party the specific information they need, along with a trackable transaction system with metadata. The local developer works with a designer architect to create a project using our custom objects in a CAD system. This file goes to Produktif, where it is verified with renders and models. Orders for the required parts are generated with our global suppliers, and shipping coordinated with shop delivery. Custom CAD/CAM files and instructions go to shop technicians, operations and maintenance manuals to the assemblers and owners. We'll enable independent developers, architects, contractors, agencies, builders, suppliers, manufacturers, etc. to all interact fluidly in a huge network without multiple risky business contracts. By joining this framework, each party can focus on their own specific but simplified responsibility, ensuring a successful, timely project. Produktif's IT system will serve as a centralized coordinator that is highly efficient and constantly evolves as it expands. It will even stay in contact with its projects. As life switch, the intelligent interactive dashboards built in to help users conserve energy and resources will also let us monitor the health and efficiency of the building. Through intensive development and prototyping solutions into our components and design blocks, we create a system where expensive on-site work is minimized, and decisions, revisions, and corrections are eliminated at the expensive later stage of construction. We aim to provide a flow from site visualization to completed project that is faster, cheaper, and better than current alternatives. We put the effort into this product and system design once, so it can be replicated and customized for sites and environments of all types anywhere in the world.